Yo, what's up guys, it's your boy Sami, and in today's video I'm gonna be building the ultimate Christmas smart car, so stay tuned. The first thing we needed to do was gather all the materials. So we went to the local hardware store. We even found this Christmas tree which we can put on the car, but it was kinda out of my budget, and I had another idea for later, how I was gonna get one. But for now, let's go back to the hardware store. We need some power tape, which is gonna stick the LEDs to the car. We found the tape. We also got some fake snow, which we're gonna put on the Christmas tree, that I'm of course gonna buy. So now we only need the
cord.
A cord. Searching for all this stuff, I feel like a serial killer. I'm trying to find my stuff to kill everyone. Which we're gonna use to strap on the tree on the car, and hopefully these are enough, but it should be good. So let's go. So after we got everything we needed from the hardware store, we made our way to get our Christmas tree. Oh man, let me tell you guys, the axe that I had was so shitty, it didn't do anything.
What's up?
Let's go! And now it's time for us to strap the tree on the car. Hey guys! Then I did a little test drive with the car to make sure the tree doesn't fly off when I drive the car. First step is done, we got the tree on the car, and now we have the LEDs which we're gonna stick to the car. So let's go. And boom guys, the car is done. We did the whole car. Come look around. Everything. Here we have Sami, Christmas, sex, V12 AMG powered smart. Oh my god, this is a one-of-one car. Look at this, and even the door opens. What the fuck? This is crazy, guys. But guys, we're still missing one thing, one very important thing. And boom, guys, we got the fresh outfit. You know what I mean? Bam, freestyle. Hello guys, it's Sami. We have this fresh Christmas look, you know what I mean?
Je vais rentrer ça à neuf.
Okay, because we only made one openable port on my side, this is how he has to get in the car. Oh my god. Don't break anything, man! So then, after finally finishing our build, we went into the city and filmed some people's reactions. Well, it's fair to say we got more weird looks than actual reactions. So, after we went out and got some people's reactions, we went and drove the car the way it's intended to be driven. Oh fuck! Oh fuck! My Christmas tree! Oh shit! Then later that night we met up with some friends and they also had some cool cars with lights on. Unfortunately guys, it's not snowing, so we're gonna use some fake snow to put on the car. So that is it for this video guys, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like and subscribe and I will see you guys next time. Bye!